coming up. So what we're going to do basically is this is a 4-3-3. This is the attacking team. So the attacking team, please take your position. 4-3-3 with a cam, central attacking midfielder. And this is a 4-4-2. Center back, 2 center backs, left back, right back. Please take your position. 2 central midfielders. Face over there. Okay. So we have a goalkeeper and 6 players here, and no goalkeeper and 6 players here. We have a feeder who will give you the ball. So basically, only one condition: when the ball goes on the wing, it should be a 2v1. So the other defender can come and create a 2v1, not allow them to come inside or cross. Okay, and you have to try and attack in that condition. Okay, someone take your positions, clear the markers, and take your position quickly. And Tejas and Suraj, can you just turn the goal post? That one? Offside, yes, offside will be there. Offside is there. It's okay, I will take care of that. Alright, so the central midfielders, take your position. We start through the feeder. Okay, when I say stop, we'll stop and then we'll restart again. We'll try to give you a lot of time to play, but if I see something where I need to coach, I will get him. Let's go. Yes, come on. Keep playing, keep playing. Stop, stop, stop. Shaurya, can you tell them to go from the side? Those players, please. Okay, let's go. Continue. Kids, please move out. Okay, let's play. We have another ball. Take your position. Shaurya, just stay there. Tell them to go from the side. Okay, whenever the ball goes out, it starts from the feeder. That's a goal. Good one. Come on, let's get back. Okay, good effort there. Let's organize. Dhairya, get the ball from back. Come on, let's go. Stop, stop, stop. So as I said, as the ball goes on the wing, it should be a... So you have to be quicker. As soon as the ball goes, that is a trigger. He's already there, but you have to go. So we'll play that again. Let's start. Come on. Renal, did you pass the ball? Yes. Can you pass the ball again? From there, Renal. Pass, play. Yes. Okay. Attackers, defenders, the score is 1-0. You all are 1-0 down. So if you get the ball, try and score in one of these goals. Yeah, 1-1. So 1-1. Try and score in one of these goals. Wait. Let's play. That's a good ball. Good move. So defenders need to be more alert, need to be more cautious. Wait, take a position. Suraj, just go a bit ahead. Let's go. Good effort, good effort. Let's go. Goal kick, goal kick. Center start. Sorry, center start. Wait. Let them reorganize. Let them organize. Wait. Come on, let's go.
अपने हिसाब से करना पास को पूरी उधर भी है ओवरलैप हां चलेगा मिलेगा चल पूरा इजी हेल्प पे जा बाबा
Stop. Let's stop it there. Tejas had the ball. Renal, you were here. Sam, you were here. Good interception. Where were you? You were there? Okay. Maybe a bit ahead. So Renal is over here. What can Renal do better? Come, drop. A simpler pass. Then that interception will not happen. He cannot intercept the ball. And then he can maybe switch it there or play it back here. Your choice. Let's see what Renal will do. First you stay there, then you come here. When I say start, let him come here. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Very nice. Okay. Let them reorganize. Let's go. Okay, stop. Suraj. I think Suraj is in a bit of hurry. So, guys, was that a good idea? Yes or no? Maybe good idea, not good execution. Because it could have been a good ball if he tries to play it proper. But since they are too much in front, maybe what else you could have done? Maybe you could have passed it here and then made a run. What else? What else could you have done, Suraj? What else, Suraj? Yes, pass it to him. Give it to him, Suraj. And then Tejas? Yes. Okay. Or else? What else? Hold. Turn. Wait for him to make a run. Lot of things. Let's see what Suraj does. Come on, Suraj. Let's go. Wait. We'll start with the feeder again. Give him the ball. Let's go. Yes. Much better. Good one. Defenders. Good one. So the score is 3-1. 3-1 or 2-1? 2-all. Okay. Let's go.
Very good.
Get the ball. Wait. Sorry. Okay. Let's go. Stop. Tejas, again under pressure. What could have Tejas done? What would you guys do if you were in the place of Tejas? Give the ball. What you would have done? Pass though. What you could have done? Maybe hold. Or again give it back there. Not a good option. If he's staying there, not a good option. But what if he goes there? Go. This is better. because he has a lot of distance to cover. What else? Maybe Renel, staying a bit, dropping a bit. Can you drop? Switch, and then he can go there. So, take your time, Tejas. We will play that again. Come on, Tejas. Let's go. Come on, Tejas. Let's see what Tejas does. Very nice. All right. Try to pass on the wings, guys. As I said, we have to go on the wing. Come on. Let's pass on the wings. Pranshu, beware the camera. Leave the ball, leave the ball. बॉल ले क्या एक ही जन जाओ वेट 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 कैन यू कम अ बिट वाइड वेट 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 कैन यू बी बिट वाइड लेट्स गो वाइड वाइड okay let's hold it there Burhan for you let's come here quickly same position ball is with Burhan there give the ball okay ball is with Burhan what was you were trying to switch it directly okay what else he could have done what else when he is on the wing he's dropped who else can drop here the cam so instead of being here you could have been there so if he makes that run and if not then back to him give the ball here you can give it back here and then Renel where will you go or that is one option Renel or there wait Renel drop yes and switch it let's go okay here in Suraj switch your bibs quickly come on okay you can start let's go Come on, attackers, go and get the ball. Yes, we start from here. And midfielders, Renel and Ilyas, try to get the ball to the wings. Okay. Let's reorganize. Come on. Let's go. Good ball.
पहला रखना आर्यन
Okay.
अरे देख गोल है
Goal. That's a goal. Wait. Boys. Please out. Let's play.
चलना उधर जगह वाला थोड़ा
Good ball.
मैं हूँ पीछे
That's a goal. Good goal. No pressure on the ball. Defenders. Someone has to stop him. Midfielders. One of you, Ashu, Sam, or maybe the centre back. Someone has to give that call. Come on. Wait. Who's playing striker and who's playing cam? Are you playing cam? Striker, stay ahead. Last man. Let's go. Is that a goal? No. No goal. 4-3. 5-3. Okay, let's go. Put the ball on the wing. Good ball. Are you playing left back? You're too high for a left back. Just go back. Wait, Renel, come on, take your position. Organize. Let's go. Stop. Let's focus on Ilyas here. Maybe the first pass where he was already, you're trying to pass it to Aryan. Already a man there. Come here. Already a man there. What he could have done? Either Uzair. What else? Renel? And then Renel switches back. Okay, come on, let's see what he does. He has two options. Okay, we have a change. Come on, Ilyas. We start with Ilyas. The ball is with Ilyas. Ilyas, Arjun put pressure on him. Let's go. Yes. Stop. Where is the 2v1? You are not close to him. As soon as the ball goes, you have to go close. You cannot give him time. And one more. You or you? Who is going to come? Come, drop. Now, this is the situation. What can you do, Uzair? What about the cam? Where is the cam? Here? Cam can make a run inside. Who else? What about a striker? She can stay there. Renel, too close. Drop. So one pass to the cam here and then maybe play a 1-2 or you can turn that way. That you decide. Okay? Or what else? I want to answer somebody. What else? Switch. Just put it back. Put it back or maybe switch it to Buran. Can try. Come on, we can try this. Good ball. Okay, no problem. Let's try that again. Now let's see what Uzair does. Sorry. No problem. Let's see what Uzair does. Come on, let's go. Yes, great. Brilliant 1-2. Oh, almost a goal. Let's play 2v1. That's on. Okay, good effort. Come on, boys. Last 5 minutes. Yeah. Last 5. Take a position. Let's go. Oh, Renel. Let's stop it here. Let's stop it here. Ball, ball. Dada ball. Renel, what can you do, Renel?
Better pass.
Better pass or a better decision here? Maybe just hold, wait for support, or maybe just turn and go on the other side. Maybe. What else? What else can Renel do? Buran? Direct switch? Okay, one. What else? Here? Cam? Okay? Let's see what he does. I leave it to you. Come on, Renel, you decide. Start. Okay, let's do that again. No problem. Let's do that again. The ball is with Renel. Press. Somebody's pressing him. Yes, let's go. Play. Very close. We'll start from here. Good effort, winger. Wait, let them reorganize.
रुक जाओ आया नहीं है.
Are you injured? Okay. Sam. Right wing. Same bips. It's okay. Yeah. Let's go. Let's play. No. Stop. Uzair. On the wing. Wait, give me the ball. On the wing, Uzair. Come here. Let's recreate that situation. Come here. He's already here. He's blocking you, and then there is another person blocking you. 2v1. Remember, what can you do better, Uzair? He had made a good run on the wing earlier. Maybe that's gone now. But because you came inside, that run is gone. Maybe play it back, side, and stop. Or what else? Cam.
Elias.
Good ball, yeah. Cam comes here.
Run.
Maybe Cam. What else? There. What about a striker? He's here. There is a gap there. Can you put it to Tejas from the gap? You can try. Okay. Or you have to stay wider. Come on, let's see what Uzair does. Uzair, you come inside and start. Let's go. Striker. 2v1. Good ball. Okay, that's it, guys. Quickly. Come here. Everyone close in. Take a seat. Sit down. Everyone together. I want everyone to come here. Pranshu, come here. Sit down. Sit down. Good pass. Could have been a goal. Are you all right? Okay, guys. So, what were your takeaways from the session? I need some answers. What did you take away? What did you learn? Yes.
Off the ball positioning.
Very good. Off the ball positioning. Guys, always the ball is here. On the ball. Off the ball. Away from the ball. Away कौन हो गया? Left wing पे ball है तो who's away? Right winger. Who's around the ball? Cam. Maybe striker. Maybe the other CM. And who is little around the ball? The other CM. And maybe striker if he is making a run. So remember these things. What else? Scanning, yes, but in this exercise, what did you learn? What about the runs for the strikers? You have to keep making those runs. Yeah? Overlapping. If it's a 2v1 on the wing, winger, two people are marking the winger, the cam can make a run. Or the striker can make a run. Be free, try and attack. What else?
CM positioning for the 2v1.
Yeah, CM's positioning very important. Because CM cannot go a lot in front. And the striker, who was the striker? Tejas and Uzair, Tejas and Aryan. Maybe next time you have to lead the line a bit better. You have to keep making those runs. Because we didn't see a lot of direct balls to the striker, because ultimately 90% of the times in any team a striker will score the maximum goals, right? So maybe that we could work on in the next session. Anyways, thank you so much guys. We'll stop and we'll take a break of